welcome to our channel. Facts 360. Today we're counting down the 10 most beautiful countries to visit. From breathtaking landscapes to rich cultures, these countries promise unforgettable experiences. Let's embark on this journey. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Canada. This vast country, the second largest in the world, boasts stunning wilderness, vibrant cities, and a rich tapestry of cultures. Explore the breathtaking Rocky Mountains, the stunning Northern Lights, and the multicultural cities like Toronto and Vancouver. Canada's commitment to multiculturalism means you'll find a warm welcome and a celebration of diversity wherever you go. At number 9, we have Egypt. Home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, Egypt is a treasure trove of history and culture. Marvel at the majestic pyramids of Giza, cruise the timeless Nile River, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Cairo. The blend of ancient wonders and modern life makes Egypt a must-visit destination. Number 8 is Switzerland, a paradise for nature lovers. With its picturesque landscapes, including the stunning Alps and pristine lakes, Switzerland is the perfect destination for adventure and relaxation alike. Enjoy the charming villages, indulge in delicious Swiss chocolate, and experience the country's renowned hospitality. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking in summer, Switzerland offers year-round beauty. Coming in at number 7 is Thailand, the land of smiles. With its stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, and delicious cuisine, Thailand is a favorite among travelers. Explore bustling Bangkok, relax on the idyllic islands, and don't miss the chance to experience the vibrant street food scene. The warm hospitality of the Thai people will make your visit truly unforgettable. At number 6, we find New Zealand. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich Maori culture, this island nation offers adventure at every turn. From the stunning fjords of Milford Sound to the vibrant cities of Auckland and Wellington, New Zealand is a paradise for explorers. Whether you're bungee jumping or enjoying a peaceful hike, the beauty of New Zealand will leave you in awe. Number 5 is Australia. With its diverse landscapes, unique wildlife, and vibrant cities, Australia is a dream destination for many. Explore the Great Barrier Reef, visit the iconic Sydney Opera House, and immerse yourself in the stunning outback. Australia's laid-back lifestyle and friendly locals make it a welcoming place for travelers. At number 4, we have Greece, a country steeped in history and beauty. From the ancient ruins of Athens to the idyllic islands of Santorini and Mykonos, Greece offers a perfect blend of culture and relaxation. Enjoy delicious Mediterranean cuisine, explore charming villages, and soak in the breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Greece is a destination that captivates the heart. Coming in at number 3 is France. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and world-renowned cuisine, France is a cultural haven. Stroll through the charming streets of Paris, savor exquisite wines in Bordeaux, and bask in the beauty of the French Riviera. France's artistic legacy and culinary delights make it a top choice for travelers. At number 2, we have Spain, a vibrant tapestry of cultures and traditions. From the architectural wonders of Barcelona to the stunning beaches of Costa del Sol, Spain offers a diverse array of experiences. Enjoy the passionate flamenco music, indulge in tapas, and explore the rich history that permeates every corner of this beautiful country. And finally, at number 1, we have Italy. Renowned for its rich history, stunning architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Italy is a dream destination for travelers. Explore the ancient ruins of Rome, admire the art in Florence, and take in the romantic canals of Venice. With its picturesque countryside, delicious pasta, and world-famous gelato, Italy offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 10 most beautiful countries to visit. Each of these destinations offers unique experiences and breathtaking sights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite travel memories in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.